everybody, it's Jenny, and today I'm excited to share a fun project for Pixie Dust Designs using the new Gnome Money Holder die. This is a pretty large die that, when all assembled, measures about 7 inches by 4 1/8, and it comes with a bunch of pieces you can use to decorate your gnome, including these tiny little light bulbs that make up a string of lights that you'll see here in a second, as well as some holly and reindeer antlers. And of course you have all the little bits and pieces that make up the cute little face, mustache, and beard. And for the final pieces that are included that make up the actual money holder part are the stitched frame, the interior rectangle, and 3 different options to hold whatever you want to put inside. So the first option is the die that cuts 2 holes so that you can insert a rolled up dollar or $20 or whatever, but it could also fit a pen or candy. The next 2 dies create a perforated tab that can be ripped from the back, and these 2 options will be used with a plastic insert that could hold money or a chapstick or a lip balm or something of that shape. Okay, so now that we've gone over all the pieces included in this die set, I can start working on my money holders by picking out all my different pattern papers and laying out my dies. Then I went ahead and ran those all through my die cut machine. And then once I have all my pieces, I can start assembling them. And I did want to go ahead and mention that for my base layer, I cut that from a piece of white cardstock, but then to get a pattern for the hat and the outfit of my gnome, I went ahead and cut it again from some pattern paper. And for my gnome's hands, nose, and face, I went ahead and used some Tattered Rose Distress Oxide, and then added some shadow using some Tattered Rose Distress Ink. So before I glue anything down, I just want to bring all my pieces together to see how it looks in case I want to change anything. And because I'm happy with how everything looks, I'm going to go ahead and start gluing it all down. I'm going to use a white gel pen to add some highlights to the nose and hands. And I'm also going to use some foam tape to pop up the mustache. going to use the white gel pen again to go ahead and add some more highlights here and there across the rest of the gnome. And then I'm going to use some glossy accents to add some shine to the holly berries. And off camera, I went ahead and made another gnome, and instead of the reindeer antlers and holly, I used the string of lights to decorate the hat. And for the final step, I can go ahead and add the money into the money holders by rolling up the dollar and then just popping each end into the little loops. And here is a closer look at my finished gnome money holders. I really love this string of lights, and I think the addition of the glossy accents just really makes it pop. I think these gnome money holders would make the perfect stocking stuffer or a tag or even an ornament for your Christmas tree. Just by adding a hook or some twine through the loop in the hat, you'd have an adorable handmade ornament. And to finish the video, I just wanted to say you can find all links to products used in the description box below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!